I'm ready for winter to be over. Anybody else ready for winter to be over? Anybody else just praying for spring? I feel like I've heard this before on the forums that, you know, sometimes in warmer weather climates, everyone with a bucket becomes a detailer, like in California. Detailers are ubiquitous, and therefore, detailers definitely charge less. So when people ask me about price here in Utah, I say, I'm someone who is going to stay in business throughout the winter months. The winter months weed out the drive-by detailers, so to speak. We are here for you. We're experts. We love what we do. And we do it even in weather like this. Here we are in late February in Utah, and here we are with another snowstorm. I don't have much else to say other than this. To any of my cold weather detailers out there who have survived, to any of you who have dealt with the seasonal changes of being in business and maybe it caught you by surprise, I'm there with you. A business owner should plan for this kind of thing, and I learned my lesson this winter. We didn't have a winter last year in Utah, and I got a little complacent. But I learned a lot this winter, and I'm ready to take that resilience, and I'm ready to book jobs, be better at social media, and just keep honing and perfecting my craft. This is a quick little video, nothing special, but it's just to say how excited I am for the spring, for the opportunities. Even though it snowed like 18 inches in this area over the last couple of days, spring will be here. It will come. And by God, even if it doesn't, I'm gonna survive. To my detailers out there, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Stay strong, and I don't know, happy detailing. We'll see you on the next video.